Did this shit just fall out? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. If you can tell by the title, this is a super exciting moment because she came in. This bad boy came in. This is the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. I have been waiting for this to come in. I wasn't able to get the Supreme or the Deluxe, which was the $145 and the 100 box, but I was able to get the $60 box, and you have no idea how excited I am to get this because I already looked at the spoilers and I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. And this box for forever. It took only like a week, but you know when you're waiting for a package and you keep looking at your emails to see if it shipped? That was me, and this is actually my box. I did already open it. Just because I wanted to, and I already know what's inside, but I just wanted to come on camera today and show you what I got inside my box. There is already some spoilers out there, which I did already look at, so I already knew what was in this bad boy, but I'm just happy to have it for my own finally, and yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, so like I said, this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. Of course, this is the Valentine's Day version. They always usually have for like Black Friday, Valentine's Day. I think they even do like a summer one sometimes, but this is the premium box, which they do have 3 tiers. It is the Supreme, which was the $145, the Deluxe, which was $100, and then the premium was $60. And they actually went up because they used to be $20, $60, and $100, but now it's like more items and like better items, I guess you can say. So I'm super stoked to get this. I was kind of bummed because I wanted the bigger box, but honestly, when I already seen the spoilers for this, I am so content with what I got. Like, I just need to open the damn box and show you guys. All right, so like I said, this is the premium box. This is how she's looking, and I did already open it because like I said, I already know what's in there, but I want to show you. Already the first item is something that I am so excited to get because this is, can you guess what it is? It is the Alien palette. Like, the fact that they have this in the box is crazy because they actually discontinued this palette and I never got to get it. So I'm super excited that it came in the box because now I can add it to my collection and I don't gotta feel sad no more because for real, like, the fact that they discontinued it, and they didn't even tell no one it was being discontinued. They just kind of like, oh, up and said it's gonna be discontinued, and then it wasn't available anymore. So back to the box. So like I was saying, this is the Alien palette, as you can tell from the packaging. Isn't it so cute? Like, the paper has little aliens on there. But so let me open her up. All that, and boom, there she is. It is so pretty. I don't even want to throw the box away. I'm that type of person. I know. Ooh, this is my first time seeing it in person. It's so pretty. Look at that. You can't tell me that looks fucking badass. Like, a fucking alien. Who has an alien makeup palette? Like, no one. No one. And it's like, shit, it's like the size of my head. Open her up. Ooh. Look at how pretty it is. Look at all those greens. I love greens. Love, 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 love greens. And that purple is pretty. And I can't wait to use this palette. And it also comes with a mirror, which is amazing. But there she is. This retails for $52 on its own. So the fact that I got the box for $60 and the discontinued palette that I wanted was in here already, I'm already like set. Like, not that I don't want the other stuff in the box, but like I'm already set with this because just when you love makeup, things are like collector's items. I mean, who else has an alien palette? Come on now, like. All right, and then for the second item in the box is actually a little beanie, and it has Jeffree Star right here, which I do love because it is red. I actually don't have a red beanie, so I'm excited to have this. Oh, it's not like super thin. I mean, it's not super thick either, so it feels kind of good. Let's see. Oh, my big ass head. But oh, she's cute. Like that's so cute to me. Maybe I'll wear it for the rest of the video because it's so cute. That is the second item. I think it is so cute. I love beanies, so boom. Let's get to the next one. All right, and then for the third item, it is the gloss, which I actually don't have any of his lip glosses. So this one is in Succulent, which is the limited edition one, so it's not going to come out again. I can open this damn thing. All right, I got it open, and that's what she's looking like. So it says the gloss, and like I said, it was in the color Succulent, which it does look like it's a pretty pinky color. So I'm gonna swatch it. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's a really pretty pink, which I'm not a big fan of pink glosses. Like, I like this one, which is the Dominique Lemonade one, but it doesn't come out super, super pink. So this one definitely does have like the purple reflex in it, but we'll see. I mean, this packaging is super cute. I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous. I don't have any of his glosses, like I said, so just having this packaging alone is so pretty. And of course, he would come out with like bomb-ass packaging, so I am excited that I actually got this because I don't have a gloss, so now I can add it to my collection. All right, and then for the last item in the box, it is actually a little pink pop socket. I do already have one of these. I have the orange one from his Halloween box, so I'll just keep it just in case, because I mean, I know I'll eventually use it. But for right now, I'm having the orange one, and then eventually I'll just switch to this one. But this is cute. All right, so that concludes everything in my box. That was the 4 items. So it was the palette, the beanie, the pop socket, and the gloss, which I'm super excited I was able to get at least one of the boxes. I was really disappointed that Afterpay wasn't part of the option, because if you don't know what Afterpay is, it's actually an app that lets you divide your payments into 4, and there's like no additional fees, there's no interest. It's literally just 4 payments. So example, my box was $60. It split it up for 17, 17, 17, and 17, because I think with like the tax or like the shipping or whatever, that's what it ended up being instead of like the 15. But it literally only has you pay the $17 the first time, and then 2 weeks later it has you pay the 17 again, 2 weeks later, and then 2 weeks later. So it's literally split within 2 months, and there's no interest, there's no type of fees, like nothing. So I mean, I was trying to get that big palette, but because I didn't want to pay no $145 at once, I didn't get it. But I'm actually really grateful I did get this box. I do love all the items, and I'm so excited I got this. Ugh, you have no idea, because I really wanted this palette, and I just didn't want to pay for it full price before. So yeah, in the future, I really do hope that they bring back Afterpay for like the initial launch, because honestly, they were saying that there was problems anyways, and Afterpay wasn't even available. So what's the deal? I mean, don't say it's one thing when that's really not it. And you just need to like redo your site or redo whatever you need to do, because Afterpay was definitely not the reason why. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I know this was like a super short and like not even really like thought out video, but I just got super excited when I got my things in the mail. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.